You speak about your first pregnancy as something that you had not planned, and then subsequently get into your second pregnancy, which you hadn't planned either.
Damn, who does that? I really want to know myself. Like, who does that? We were really dumb and high on Punjabi hormones. I think I don't know what was wrong with us, but it was just one after the other and both unplanned. Matlab, once bitten, twice shy. We don't understand that. The idiom doesn't work for us. Unfortunately, I had a very intense 12-hour labor, and all that I was doing was abusing. And so it went from very sweet and docile abuses to chaste Punjabi. I was doing all of that. And I was like, just get this thing out of my system. And then, okay, then we went for an emergency C-sec, and the baby comes out, and I'm calm and composed. And I'm looking at the baby, and then I'm looking at the doctor. And the doctor has a lot of expectations in her eyes, and I absolutely freeze. I do not know what to do next because I did not have all those motherly feelings that was always spoken about. I didn't feel the need to embrace him or like smother him with kisses. कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा था. I was just silent, and then I saw two sets of judging eyes. One is the doctor and one is my son. Nowadays, kids are born with open eyes, so he's also looking at me, and I was like, "Oh fuck, this is not going anywhere." Sorry for the customer, but I was like, "Shit, what am I supposed to do?" And I was like, "Okay, I'm getting my act together." And the maximum that I could do was I still could not extend my arms. The only thing that I could do was under pressure. I wriggled my nose against his, and I told the doctor to take it to his family, and that even made her more offensive. His family? What do you mean his family? I think, yeah, just take it out. So, yeah, and that was my experience. That perhaps it's a sin, but my love for him, it grew over time.
I mean, you're gonna probably curse me for saying this, but there is this creature called the star wife.
Silly questions like, now since you are a star or an actor's wife, now you'll take up to interior designing. I said, why would I do that? Matlab, why will that happen? So it took me quite a while to put things together, and I'm sure the lovely ladies who are doing that, who have a caliber for it.
And I think that's amazing because you've known him forever. I mean, you've been together since you were 18, is what I read in the book. So
God damn it, I did not venture out. I really wish I had earlier on. What is this nonsense?
I know, and you are kind of looking for your Facebook through your Facebook for your high school crush.
Imagine what are the odds, and I'm doing that while I'm pregnant. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, so yeah, I have done very stupid stuff. But then I realized, these feelings, it's not that we are oblivious to it. I'm just being as human as possible, and I think each one of us goes through that. So it's not always about love and sex and romance, but there is a whole lot of companionship. And I think that is something that really has sustained the relationship. And we are really, really more of friends. And yeah, good sex also counts. So yeah.